First things first, I appreciate your support. I am back. This is a 10.5 washer dryer. I was here 6 months. 6 months ago, same reason, it was a blockage, so the machine was swallowing clothes. It's a common problem with this model. Very, very common problem. Now, this one is stuck. So to remove this, we have to try force it out. If it can't, then we'll have to remove the entire front panel. Also, there is water stuck in the drum. The machine can't drain well, meaning it's not just this, there's also something stuck in there. So to remove this, we'll power it off. And then remove the dispenser, remove the top panel, remove the rubber, and then pull out the front panel. So because this one is tight, there's a possibility it's coiled on the heating elements. So before this, I want to remove the front panel because I will have to unblock whatever is in there. But I will also remove the heating element, see if that's what's holding that piece of cloth. Always use gloves. Be careful because these edges are quite sharp. then disconnect the door switch and pull it out. So you see this one is stuck and we have heating elements here. So we're going to pull out these heating elements so that we can disconnect this. So this is what happened. This got in here and then got coiled on this. These are the heating elements. So it got coiled on this, so it could not come out. So we've been talking about small garments like socks, underwears, but now look at this. This is a big piece of cloth, but still that happened. This is a problem with LG. They should have addressed this because it's now a common issue with LG washing machines. LG is good, one of the best brands, very durable, but they got it wrong with this space between the metallic drum and the door rubber seal. And the drum is loose.